Hello everyone, welcome to my Women's Health and Longevity channel. Today I'm going to address some of the menopause symptoms experienced by women in Asia. Asia is a wonderful and culturally diverse area and region, with 60% of the global population currently living here. It is made out of 30 countries that are ethnically diverse with different socioeconomic and educational levels. And by 2050, 1.3 billion older people will be living here in Asia, with most living in cities. Asian women also experience menopause symptoms, with some differences with our friends in the West. In the Asian Menopause Survey, which conducted 1,000 face-to-face interviews of women in Hong Kong, China, Malaysia, Taiwan, and Thailand, found that sleeplessness was reported in 61% of women. This was followed by irritability and migraines. Hot flashes was reported in 49.9% of women versus 60 to 80% in the West. But unfortunately, 63% of women reported that they would not seek treatment for their complaints. While the study has limitations in that it doesn't represent all the different varieties of ethnicities in Asia, it does highlight that menopause symptoms and its associated health risks has a global relevance. This is why it's so important to raise awareness about evidence-based treatment options that are available to women going through menopause symptoms, and also discuss lifestyle strategies that will help minimize health-associated risks around this transition, both for women in the East and the West.